Did you know that 70% of people dread the pain of a Brazilian wax? What if I told you there's actual science behind making it smoother and way less painful? Stay with me for the next few minutes, and you'll learn exactly how to make your next wax session so much easier. In this video, you'll discover proven techniques and expert insights to get a smooth, pain-free Brazilian wax. Whether you wax at home or at a salon, these science-backed tips can completely change your experience. Many people struggle with pain, irritation, and uneven results after waxing. Even with professionals, redness and bumps are super common. The real reason? Most people skip the important steps before and after waxing. Proper skin prep, the right wax, and aftercare make a huge difference. Don't worry. I'll guide you step by step so you can skip the pain and keep that smooth finish. Step 1. Exfoliate gently 24 hours before waxing. It helps remove dead skin cells so the wax grips your hair evenly. Step 2. Make sure your hair is about a 1/4 inch long. That's the perfect length for the wax to catch the hair, not the skin. Step 3. Choose the right wax for your body. Hard wax works best for coarse hair and sensitive areas. Soft wax is perfect for fine hair and larger spots. Step 4. After waxing, always calm your skin. Use aloe vera gel, cooling balm, or a fragrance-free moisturizer. And for the next 24 hours, avoid tight clothes, hot showers, and heavy workouts. These small steps dramatically reduce pain and irritation. Here's something most people never think about: your skin temperature. Your skin's warmth can totally change how much a wax hurts. When it's slightly warm, the wax sticks to the hair, not the skin, meaning less pulling, less pain. But if your skin's cold or sweaty, the wax grips the skin instead. Ouch! That makes everything harder and more uncomfortable, so keeping your skin warm but not hot makes all the difference. That one little trick can turn your wax from painful to smooth and easy. Let's do a quick recap. Exfoliate before waxing, choose the right wax for your hair type, keep your skin temperature balanced, and don't forget gentle aftercare. Follow these steps, and your waxing will be faster, smoother, and way less painful. If you found this helpful, check out my other skincare and beauty tips. Share your own waxing experiences in the comments. I'd love to hear them. And, hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Your smoothest skin, it's just one click away.